Yep, that's it. Is it loose enough to go by hand?
Step 1. Remove front.
Okay, start over. Step 1.
Step 1. Remove front fender. Remove both calipers.
Sweetest song I ever heard. Love's melody in your heart's own words. Sing to me.
Take another bite at it. Gotta back it off, take another bite. Or can you do it by hand there? Yeah, take another bite. Nice and square. And turn. Good. Okay. Just leave that loose right there. You can leave that in there. Leave that one in there. Okay, now we gotta do another thing. Get this.
And all the stars lay down in heaven.
Okay.
To take their rest till evening.
Try and get it straight down. Stand up.
Won't you sing to me?
So you get a good straight shot at it.
My morning bird, the sweetest song I ever heard. Love's melody.
Good. Now loosen it up.
In your heart's own words. Sing to me, my morning bird.
Now pull the axle all the way out. All the way. Pull. Good. Look at this, Pete. It's all done. Yeah. Okay, pull that towards you. Keep it square on there. Totally square. Keep it square on there. Yeah. Pull it towards you.
Don't you fly
Okay.
away from me without leaving me with your song.
Now use the box end, the open end, the other end of the wrench. Pull it off there.
Is much too
Pull that off there.
long
Okay. Flip it over.
and so quiet when you're gone.
Now push that.
Sing to me,
Okay, good.
my morning
Good, and again.
bird, the sweetest song.
Okay, we'll just get these loosened up.
Love's melody.
Okay, that's good for now, I think. Now let's go on the other side.
Sing to me,
Good.
my morning bird. Sing to
Yeah, that whole tube come out. Look at that.
my morning.
That's good. Look at that. 1H fork tube. Pogo stick. That was easy, huh?